In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record restaurant sales in QuickBooks. If you run a restaurant, chances are most of your sales are paid on the spot. That's exactly what a sales receipt in QuickBooks is for. It records a sale you've already been paid for, so your income and cash balances update right away. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share tips to keep everything clean and consistent. First, open QuickBooks and hover over the Create menu to reveal your transaction options. This is the quickest way to start a new entry without digging through multiple screens. From that menu, click Sales Receipt. A sales receipt is different from an invoice because there's no outstanding balance. Think of it as your end of shift or end of day restaurant sales summary. At the top of the form, select a customer. Many restaurants use a generic customer like daily sales or restaurant sales summary to keep these entries organized. Using a consistent customer makes reporting and searching easier later. Next, enter the service date. Choose the exact date the sales occurred, not the date you're entering the receipt. Matching the date to your point of sale report helps with reconciliation and month-end accuracy. Now, move to the product/service column. Click in that field to open your list. Select the item you use to track restaurant revenue. If your list includes an item named Food and Services, choose that. The key is to use the same item every time, so your income flows to the correct account and your reports stay consistent. In the description field, add a clear note. For example, daily restaurant sales for date, dine-in, and takeout. Helpful descriptions make it easy to understand entries at a glance and support anyone reviewing your books in the future. Then, enter the amount. This should be the total you want to report with this line for that day's sales. Double check the number against your POS summary to avoid mismatches. If you track different revenue categories on separate lines, keep your approach consistent from day to day. But for this example, we're entering a single total. When everything looks good, click Record. QuickBooks will save the sales receipt and update your income and the deposit destination based on your default settings. That's it. You hovered over Create, chose sales receipt, selected the customer, entered the service date, set your product or service, added a helpful description, entered the amount, and clicked Record. Keep your naming and dating consistent, and you'll have clean, reliable restaurant sales records every time.